Hi, I'm KIM on the MIC, here to do a full makeup tutorial for you guys. First, we're going to start with our First Aid Beauty Fab. It's a ultra repaired primer. It's good for hydrating the skin. So now we're going to use the bold eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply store for $1.99 in the color dark brown. You outline your eyebrows and fill them in to the shape that you like. So now we're going to get our angle brush by Aesthetica. You're going to use it to brush out the eyebrows to give it a smooth finish look. So now we're going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer along with the flat brush that I got from Wish. You're going to start at the bottom of your eyebrows, and you can work the extra product that you're using under the eyebrow, bring it down to the lid to start preparing for your eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use my foundation brush from Elk. You can get it at Walmart. That's to buff out the concealer to give it that smooth finish look. So now we're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder and place it above the lid, and then use the Infallible Foundation to apply it on the upper part of the eyebrows. Take your Elk foundation brush and buff out the extra product above the top part of the eyebrows. Then separate the eyebrows. Buff out a little to give it that faded look. Then we're using our Brow Superstar by Benefit. You can purchase this at Ulta Beauty. So, these are the product that's inside of the Brow Superstar. Now we're going to go in and use the Goof Proof pencil. I'm going to use the spoolie to brush the product out to give it that clean look. And then I'm using the pencil part to fill in where the product has been brushed out to give it that bold, firm look. Now we're using Give Me Brow. Give Me Brow is a microfiber gel that gives you the fuller eyebrow look. Now we're going to use this Naked Highlight palette that I got from BoxyCharm. That nice pink color, soft neutral pink color, is what I'm going to use under the eyebrow, which is the eyebrow bone. You're going to work that in, blend, boom. Now we're going to use the color Bella, which is out of my Pure BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette. Work that under the highlight and blend. You don't want any harsh lines when it's all done. Then the blend brush that I got from Lukey, I used to buff and blend. And I got that from BoxyCharm as well. So I put more highlight on the eyebrow bone because it wasn't popping. Then I use Alternative Rock by Benefit under the highlight. You know, working it in, buffing it, making sure you don't have any harsh lines. Next, we're going with Party Animal by Laura Lee in the color Hangover. You're going to work that in the crease of the eyelid. This eyeshadow palette, you basically have to build the color to get that purple to pop. Next, we're going to use Karaoke. So I'm basically just building the color over the lid. And I'm going to keep building till I get that nice dark smoky look. So now I'm going to use that brush that I had from Lukey to blend out the top to make sure I have no harsh lines. So now we're going to use that CoverGirl concealer to work under the eye to start doing the rest of our full face makeup. You see how great that covers it up? So I use my foundation brush from Elk to pull down the product and to cover my highlight area that I would do as if I'm finishing up my makeup. That brush right there is by Lukey as well. It is a buffer. Now I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Makeup in color 406. And then I'm gonna buff that right on out with my Lukey brush. So now I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder under the eye to set the makeup. You can purchase that at Walmart as well. So now I'm going to use my 24-hour brow setter to set my eyebrows. This is the eyebrow setter that is inside of our Brow Superstar Kit by Benefit. You can purchase that at Ulta Beauty. So now I'm about to use my Pure Sculptor contour palette to contour my nose with the color Inventor. I also got this palette through BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a subscription. It costs $25 a month and they send you 6 full-size products every month for $25. I forget what type of brush I'm using, but next time when I do my facial tutorial, I will put that in the description box for you guys, for those who want to know the tools that I use. So when contouring, you guys, you must make sure you blend, blend, blend. We do not want any harsh lines at all. As you can see, I'm applying that contour to the cheekbones, and I'm moving in a upward position. So now we're going to use my highlight palette. It's a blush and highlight palette by Wondrous, Dusk Till Dawn. I'm using Havana Night as my blush on my cheekbones, moving in an upward position with my brush from TJ Maxx. It came in a set. I forget the brand. Then I go over the blush with City Lights. That's the highlight that's inside of the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk Till Dawn blush and highlighter palette. I apply it to the temple of my nose, my forehead, and the cupid's part of my lip. Check out that highlight, honey. Yes. So now I'm going in with my eyeliner, which is by Ruby Kisses in the color Jet Black. I love a good wing. You outline it first to your thickness, and then you fill it in with the rest of the product. Check me out. We're using our lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly. And I'm using an eyeliner from Vulgar to use on the bottom lid of my eyes to give it a nice bold look. Because we're going bold with this, honey. Bold. You guys, never mind how red my eyes are. I was so very tired. I did this video at 4 in the morning. So now we're going in with our Dark Radiant Setting Spray. You can purchase that at Walmart as well. I'll wait till the setting spray dried, and I'm going in with my tools to smoke out the bottom part of my eyelids and adding my Hangover Purple and my Karaoke Blue under the eye to give it that smoky look. Dramatic. So I'm just going in, smoking it out, blending it, making sure it looks clean. Now those lashes you just seen are by Amazon. You get 50 lashes, 50 pairs of lashes for $12. You can't beat that, you guys. You see I didn't put any hair glue on it, and it's thick. It has adhesive on it. So now we're going to check out that. Ooh.